About CNC Maker Squad. So hey, yeah, today is the day I start working on putting all this chipper shredder stuff together. So you're going to see me do a couple things. First of all, I have to disassemble the chipper as it came from the shop because I need to get some stuff figured out about mounting the engine to the chassis with the wheels and all that stuff. And so after that, then I have to reassemble everything. Hook everything up, put oil and gas in it, and then make sure everything runs. And then I need to disassemble it again so that I can paint all the pieces. And then finally get it all reassembled again. And when I'm doing that final assembly, I need to Loctite everything up so none of the bolts or anything, nuts and stuff, wiggle loose or vibrate loose as the thing is running. So that's quite a bit of work, and it's going to take me quite a bit of time. So I'm going to fast forward through this, and it'll be a lot faster for you than for me, but here it goes. Okay, here we go. The thing is finally finished. Construction is done. Time to put some gas in it. I already did the oil, so here we go. Let's see what this thing does. This is a test run, by the way. I've just done the assembly. This is just a test run. After this, I gotta take it back inside, disassemble it, finish painting it, and then reassemble it and use Loctite to make sure everything's tightened down real good. And then I can come out here and get rid of that big old pile. So for right now, just test run just to see if it runs and how well it runs and if there's any problems I gotta work out. So here we go. Okay. Well, that test didn't entirely work, but I think I know why. So I'm going to do something real quick and see if I can't make it work. So we'll try this again in a few minutes. I don't know if you can see this. Light is pretty dark here. But I fixed it. And here we go. Okay, it ran. I'm not sure what happened, but we'll see how well the blades held up. And I'm gonna take it back inside and we'll see what's up. Okay, end of test run. So the test run yesterday, I'm not sure what happened. I think after thinking on it, sleeping last night, I think the blades might have sheared off because the bolts that were holding those blades on were kind of small, maybe just a 1/4 inch. So not that great. I might actually have to go buy more bolts. I was thinking about maybe putting some shims under the blades, so I'm going to think about doing that as well. But I'm not sure if the blades like came off and went flying, and I don't know where they're at. So I guess we're just going to open this thing up, find out what happened, see if they got dulled out or what happened. Maybe they flew off or broke off or sheared off. Anyways, we're going to open it up and find out what happened. Here we go. Okay, so I know what happened. Obviously, it's pretty clear. The blades didn't shear off, so the bolts held on. But this steel, this is supposed to be tool steel, so it's supposed to be quite hard. But obviously not hard enough. It cannot hold an edge going against hard wood. So that's not going to happen. Obviously, I'm going to have to get something stronger. So the only thing I can think of might be stronger would be, I need to probably get some stronger steel, but the way to go, I think, is to just get tungsten. So I gotta look up the prices on that and see if I can make this work. And I need to make this a little bit thicker, so I need to get proper blades. I think probably what I'm gonna do is figure out what my thickness would be if I added the shims, and we'll go with that, or maybe I'll mock up the shims. That way I have a better estimation of what I'm gonna do, and we'll figure out where we go from there. So that's what I'm going to work on for right now. At least then I have a better understanding of what I'm going to order. So yeah, this is what's going to have to happen, and just got to do it. One more thing. So I forgot that to mention that last night I went to the store, I got some hardware, and I got the hardware that I need to mount the diverter on the end. So that's something that at least I've got the hardware to put together. I also got some fender washers, proper size, proper inner hole diameter, to put some fender washers on the lock washers that go on the chassis mount. So I'm going to be working down there as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing the rest of today, mocking up the shims, fixing up that the chassis mount, and that's pretty much all I can do. The diverter, of course, I can't even install that until I get everything else final assembled. And of course, with the blades being a problem, that's going to take a little bit longer. So I guess that's what I'm going to work on the rest of today. Alright, so I finished making the shims for this stuff, and well, they're actually too thick. So what I really need is like half of this thickness added to this. So I'm going to sort of calculate that, and then I'll figure out what I need to order in tungsten. Of course, I'm going to have an edge put on it and have the holes drilled out with countersink. So there's a little bit of work to do there, but hopefully I can get somebody to help me out with that. So I might have to go back to the machine shop to have that tungsten machine for me, but we'll get this going. I guess that's it for now. I'm going to just sort of clean up, pack up, get everything sort of put away where I can continue to use this garage space for other stuff. And yeah, I guess we'll call it quits. So that's it for